All right, so today we are looking at this M28 drone. This was sent to us for an honest review. I was quite frankly surprised with this drone. I have reviewed dozens of drones over the years. For a little quad drone like this, that's just a toy drone. It just has a normal controller, no phone attachment or anything. My expectations were very low, and this surpassed them in every way imaginable. Let's look at the drone first. You see, it's a simple design. It's just got the 4 props, and it does come with a screwdriver and this tool, which I assume is to help you replace the props, but I don't know. It also has a little baggie of extra props, so you've got some stuff if you need it. It's just really small, fits in your palm. And then for landing gear, it's just got these little plastic nubs or rubber nubs on the bottom. And then here on the bottom, this is the battery right here. The battery's exposed. It's just part of the design, so you don't have to put it in anything. And it comes with 2 batteries, so you can keep one charged. It just uses a micro USB to charge into a USB port. The battery life is average on these. You're gonna get about 10 minutes of fly time, but it does come with the 2 batteries. It's a cool little design. You've probably noticed that as I've been speaking, the lights have changed. You can actually do a bunch of different light settings using the remote control. I can just click on this and it's gonna switch to different settings. So you've got different colors and different patterns that you can see throughout, which is cool. But what's most cool is just how well this flies. It is so easy to control. It stabilizes. It's not perfect. It's not like your high-end drones where it's going to stay exactly in the same place. But I could not believe how much control this had. For a total beginner to use this, you're going to be able to take it off, move forward, back, tilt side to side, use your basic control, and it is easy to fly. Really easy, and it stays super stable. Now, once you've mastered just the basics, it also has a button you can flip to do flipping. So you want to be a couple meters up in the air, basically my height, and then you can flip it and it's going to do some cool things with that. You can get it to spin by using the button on the other side, which is really cool. And then of course with the lights, that means you can play with it at nighttime, and that's great too. We live in a super windy city, so this works better indoors. And I loved just being able to take it out of the box and fly through the house. Like, you can navigate the hallways and throughout the house. It was really easy to use indoors. All in all, this is a really, really cool drone. I'm amazed with what you get at this price point. This is one of the best beginner drones I've ever seen.